Hello guys! Today we will create the background of our Chuck Close inspired portrait. It is our last day celebrating National Employment with Disabilities Awareness Month, and I want you to remember that Chuck Close had a disability, but even though he had one, he was still able to succeed and become an artist. I hope that you always celebrate people with disabilities, no matter which day, month, or year it is, because we can always celebrate each other. And remember to be kind and respectful always. So let's get started today. We are going to be coloring in our background with the columns and the rows. Remember, we were talking about math last time, and this is actually the area that we will be covering, the area in the back. So let's go ahead and get started. You are going to be doing the same patterns that you were doing last time with 3 different colors. So I chose my colors this time. These are gonna be one set of colors, and this is going to be my other set of colors, and we're actually going to be creating a pattern. So your pattern is going to be like this. You're going to start with this, then the next one, and then so on and so forth. So our pattern goes side to side, but it also goes diagonally. So let's go ahead and start. Now notice that my pattern doesn't have to be the same. The shapes can be different, and the size of the shapes inside can also be different. Just make sure that you follow the same colors over and over and over. Because a pattern is something that keeps going and repeats itself. Notice that I started with this light teal color. Now I am going to be creating my pattern vertically, so I will go this way. Now I am going to go ahead and do the opposite way. My pattern is going to be now going this way. And notice how I have different shapes inside. So now we will choose a different shape. Whoops! Sometimes you make mistakes, and all you can do is try to erase it with your eraser and go back on top. Now let's continue with our pattern. If we are going diagonally, what comes next here? What about over here? There's nothing to go by, so I'm going to go ahead and look at this diagonal line. What comes after? Now if we look over here at the bottom part, we see that we are going to be looking at the column to see what comes after. Now we need a different shape, just like here at the top. Hi guys, so now that we have come to an ending point, this is how your beautiful portrait should look like. Remember that we use math to create this, because math and art go hand in hand. So I hope that you liked it, and as always, whenever we create patterns in math, we also have patterns. If you're choral counting, in your classes, remember to look for those patterns, just like you created patterns here in art. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.